Welcome to episode number 39, and we have started the tiling work as I've told you in the last video. So, beginning with the flat entrance, this is the curing work and the patch plaster work which was done. So, just trying to show you that. The lineup here is the proposed washing machine area wall tiling, which is to be commenced soon. But before that, there is a patch of waterproofing which we need to get completed. Just the slab below the washing machine proposed area is to be waterproof, so that is the task which is in hand now. In the living room as such, what you see are the different tile boxes which are currently stacked in the living room. So the patch plaster is being highlighted, the new brickwork patch plaster, ceiling plaster. So curing, as like now, since we have completed the 8 to 10 days of curing process, we are not curing it every day because the process is already completed. Common bathroom is again due for wall tiling. So what you see, the electrical conduiting which was done is again sealed with the plaster. So the precision pipes which were embedded in the wall are all sealed now. So common bathroom is all set for the wall tiling process. Above the ledge wall, there is a furniture element coming, hence there is no provision of niche here. But as the work will progress, or as the work advances, you'll be understanding the design concept of the flat. In the kids room also, it is only the patch plaster, the entire ceiling plaster which was done new, and the wall plastering which was done. So apart from that, no major change in the kids bedroom as of now. So rough adhesive, which I have already mentioned you. We have already started with the tiling of the master bathroom. So we have already completed the flooring work. So the flooring was completed, and I'll be taking you to the master bathroom now in a short while. So in the master bedroom, again the plastering work and the slab repair, which I've already covered in the earlier video, is being showcased. Now moving ahead to the bathroom. So we have done the complete flooring. We start with the flooring work first to ensure the proper tile joints, and after the flooring, what we have started is the highlighter wall and the basic wall tile on the adjacent walls. So here what you see is the wall tiling work which is going on. The tile size which is used is 64 inches by 32, and the design is onyx print. This is complemented with rustic wooden highlighter. So I've used a concept of bluish green highlighter. It is basically not green, it is more towards the bluish tinge, complemented with a white tone of onyx. So guys, I'll be dealing with majority work in the coming videos. So I urge you to see all these videos, and let me know in the comment section anything specific if you want to know. So awaiting for your comments, and I hope you are enjoying the content. So do like, comment and share the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.